Hello guys, welcome to Fact Maniac. We all have seen many trailers from DC Comics such as Black Adam and Justice League, and these trailers were very awesome. Now Marvel has kicked in with WandaVision trailer. Today we'll be doing breakdown of WandaVision trailer. So let us begin. In the first scene, we see a car. On the back of the car, we could see Just Married written on it. And also in the next scene, we can see Wanda and Vision in their wedding dresses, which is a clear indication that they are married now. In the next scene, we can see a lady. Her name is Agnes Hart. She might be Wanda's neighbor or her guest. Now we can see wine being poured in glass all by itself. We can see Maison du Mépris written on the wine bottle, which means House of M. This indicates that this particular plot of the series will include events from comic book issue House of M. House of M issue showed that Wanda lost her twin children, whom she created magically with her powers, after which she lost control of her powers and she created another reality in which mutants were dominant. In this scene, we can see Agnes Hart and her husband having dinner with WandaVision. They started asking questions to WandaVision related to their past. While answering their question, Vision realizes that he does not have any memory of his past. This scene indicates that Wanda has created this reality so she could live with Vision. As Vision died in Infinity War, he is not real. He is just a creation of Wanda, and Vision's memory is also Wanda's creation, which is why Vision does not have his memory and cannot answer the question. Now the question is that how Vision had the Mind Stone, as Mind Stone was destroyed by Thanos in Avengers Endgame. As we are aware that this reality was created by Wanda, so it might be possible that Wanda created a fake Mind Stone for Vision, and Vision might be getting some powers whose source would be Wanda's powers. Now in this scene, we can see Wanda changing the reality. This is indicated by changing of background from black and white to colored. After this, we can see Wanda changing reality multiple times. We can see Agnes Hart multiple times in the trailer, which indicates that either she is a constant part of Wanda's fake reality or she is following Wanda in all of her realities. If we relate Agnes Hart to comic issue of House of M, then in the comics, she is a witch who was Wanda's mentor. Then in next scene, we can see Vision touching Agnes Hart and it looks like he's activating her. And soon we see that she asks Vision that is she dead. She tells Vision that she is dead, and she also tells Vision that he is also dead, which is a clear indication to Vision dying in Avengers Endgame. In next scene, we can see Wanda changing the objects around her according to her own will, which is only possible if it is a fake reality. This scene shows that she made her own reality just to be with Vision. In the next scene, we can see Monica Rambeau and some of the officials standing by. This scene indicates that either Wanda is doing this on a whole town or she is in a pocket dimension doing all this to live with Vision. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed our video, then please like it. Thank you for watching.